Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon fish at home, easy method. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees C, pat the salmon dry, season with salt, pepper, and lemon, and bake skin side down for 12-15 minutes until flaky. Use a thermometer to confirm 63 degrees C internal temperature. Rest fish 5 minutes, then serve with simple sides and fresh herbs for a bright finish. Pair with a salad or steamed vegetables for balance. Enjoy a healthy, quick meal the whole family will love. A gentle seasoning approach keeps salmon tasting clean and delicious, so start light and build from there. Rub the fillet with oil, sprinkle salt and pepper, and add lemon or herbs to brighten the profile. If using a glaze, apply partway through cooking to caramelize without burning. For bold flavors, marinate for 15 to 30 minutes and always pat the fish dry before cooking to ensure a crisp surface and even cook. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipe guides and tips. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes hands-free while you cook, and it stores all your favorite cookbooks in one place. I place the link and other deals in the description so you can check them out later. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. There are 3 reliable ways to cook salmon at home, and each gives great results depending on your mood and equipment. Baking is foolproof and gentle, pan-searing gives a beautiful crust in minutes, and grilling adds smoky complexity when you want a charred edge. Keep an eye on thickness and use a thermometer to avoid overcooking. Rest the fillet briefly after cooking to lock in juices and serve warm.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.